Hi everyone. Teeny tiny disclaimer. I say the word vibes too many times in this video. Every outfit I put on that I like, I call it vibes. It's just vibes, isn't it? This is vibes, I won't lie. This is big vibes. Mamma Mia vibes, isn't it? So I was like, that's kind of vibes. And honestly, at the time, no, I did not notice. If I had, I would have had another describing word. So if at any point during this video, you know, your brain goes, fuck, she has said the word vibes so many times. I know, just give me a pass this once, you know, I'll work on it. Have a bit of compassion. Enjoy the video. Trying to look a bit more acceptable for camera, but I don't know if we're ever gonna be there. Look at that ratchet ass bun. I'm on my period and I kind of just feel like shit. Anyone catch my vibes? Well, anyway, I feel like making myself feel better because I feel like shit. I look like shit. I don't normally have cramp, but for some reason they've started. I believe it or not, I actually did shower yesterday. My hair just hates me. And I kind of just feel like making myself feel better. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna like really quickly just, you know what I mean? Do you know what I'm saying? Like, and then I'll be like a new person. What I'm doing today, I'm basically just gonna put some outfits together that I really enjoy and, you know, just put them out there into the world. Obviously, I've bought a disgusting amount of clothes that I've not even really needed to wear. You know, I'm just gonna make a few outfits. It'd just be nice for people to see me in something that isn't, you know, joggies and some random men's shirt from a charity shop that I've cropped. Okay, so yeah, I'm away to finesse. Should I do the clicky thing? Hi. Who is she? No, I did not wash my hair. It's just got like a whole can of dry shampoo in there. So hygienic. Yeah, oh my god, I'm not vibing with this at all. It's like, god, it's making my tits like inverted, Jesus. But yeah, so basically this dress, I've had it for a while. This dress is from Nasty Gal as well, by the way. Oh, sorry. I'm kind of just not getting the good viewpoints right now. This is way too down low for my liking. This dress looks a lot nicer in person. And all the filming that I got of it was really ugly. So I've decided that that's all you get to see. And you can just take my word that it looks better in person. The shoes, the top. Excuse the no bra, but I mean, who cares? I popped on big fat hoops because it's just vibes. This is just black joggies. Just for comfort, you know, I do have a nice pair of black trousers, but they're in the wash, so. See this top? Honestly, like, I actually completely forgot about this top. This was probably like the first thing I ever got from like Urban Outfitters. I got it yonks ago. It was right when I got like my first job, so I was like, I'm earning some dollar. I can afford Urban Outfitters now, so questionable. I think I would be fine for like a night out, you know, if I'm like with my pals, but like if I was wearing it like out in public during the day or like around fam, I would definitely put a top under it. But I mean, who gives a flying? These joggies I also got from Misguided. Oh my god, that's a gigantic hair in them. They're all knobbly now and I kind of need a new pair because I wear these all the fucking time. I'm racking up a joggies collection actually. But my others are like coloured, which is obviously a bit harder to like make an outfit out of, but like black joggies go with everything. And also obviously the sandals. These are new, these are from Sainsbury's. So yeah, this may actually be my favourite outfit. Let me just jump right on to the next one. To the left, to the left. Right. Oh. I put my docs on as well so you can get like the full experience, you know. Sorry about this big pile of clothes, by the way. I just think the boots make the outfit. Obviously you can do up the next button if you don't want it to look slutty. This story time. I bought this shirt when I first got a job as like a waitress. I needed a white shirt and obviously I didn't have one. Or like I didn't have a nice one. Obviously I had like school shirts, but they weren't nice. So I bought this. Pretty sure it's from like H&M or something. Don't know. And this skirt actually is actually my mum's from when she was younger. She gave me it a few years back actually. Oh my god, I look like a who when I do that. She gave me this a few years ago actually, when I was like, before my hips were like out there. Oh, sorry, really out of breath from all this running around. But it didn't fit me because I was so small. The days, I just never ever wore it because I was like, oh, that doesn't fit me, blah blah blah. Forgetting that, honey, you've grown a bit, and you know, since you were like 12 years old. The other day I was kind of like going through my wardrobe. I have so many skirts that I don't wear. There's a few skirts back here actually that just don't fit me anymore. For example, this orange skirt, which, oh my god, looking at it on camera is so nice. Oh, it's got the little frills. Oh my god. But it's just way too tight. It's literally not even remotely my size. I can't even talk about it, to be honest. But anyway, so I was like trying on all my skirts, and this was like perfect fit. It's tight around my waist, but it's big enough, and it's so comfy, and it's like roomy, and then when it goes up it's not like exposing me to the world. Oh my god. I was just like trying on tops to see like what went with it, and then this was like kind of vibes, wasn't it? I mean, it's kind of like slutty schoolgirl vibes, isn't it? Sorry. On to the next. On to the next. I didn't even take the tags off these yet because I've not even had the chance to wear them. Ugh, where's my scissors? This is my Mega London trousers. My bra keeps popping out the bottom of my top, so if you want to ignore that, that'd be great. Thank you. These are like the extremely tight trousers that I decided to keep for whatever reason. This is the outfit. These are like intensely uncomfy, and it's so weird because like it's literally just this area. The trousers, they're so like baggy and nice. They're so like airy and nice. I go like that, it's fine. As long as I'm upright, it's genuinely fine. I can't believe I kept these trousers. I'm so pissed off. So yeah, also the top. The top is iconic. Sorry, it has to be done. This t-shirt. This t-shirt. If you know what Gringos Bingos is, the respect I have for you. So Gringos Bingo, I got this t-shirt in MAGA. Gringos Bingo is like one of the nights we did. It's like bingo basically, and there's little prizes you can win. The drinks are extortionate. I highly recommend drinking before you go. But they gave us a bunch of these t-shirts. Not gonna lie, I don't even think I got one of these. I think I bumped it off a friend. Sorry. But yeah, it was just a normal t-shirt, and it was kind of gross, and I never wore it because, oh my god, do you think my little beanie hat would go with this? I think it would actually. Oh, that's vibes because like the yellow and then the red, and oh, what have I just done? What the fuck? What was I saying? Yeah, so it was just like a normal t-shirt, and I have so many t-shirts, so I've cropped it, and I've also cut the sleeves off. Love it. Also, my hair is like kind of growing in. I'm quite enjoying it. I can get it into a ponytail now. On to the next outfit. Pop it, lock it, polka dot. Side to the left, stick it, glide, zigzag, across the floor, sapphire diagonal. Yeah, pretty little thing jeans. Yeah, see, honestly, like I could have tried a bit harder with this outfit. So BRB while I go do better. Do you know what I'm saying? This is outfit number whatever. Apples are out. I'm gonna have to put a bra on. BRB. I've just put my black strapless bra under this, which doesn't really make any sense, but I'm actually kind of vibing with it because it's like do, and I've got white sandals on, so it's like white, black, white. I put the hat on just for like a pop of colour, but to be honest, I'm far too warm, so that doesn't really make any sense. This is vibes, I won't lie. Guys, come a little closer. They don't fit, so I've rolled them up. Oh my god, you guys didn't see it, but I just exposed my boobs on camera. I've not really worn these jeans yet, obviously, because I don't really have a reason to put on jeans. This top, I cropped the t-shirt, big shock there. Let's move on. And this was obviously the bottom half of it, and then I realised that may actually cover my boobs. Bandu. That top, I'm gonna make this top boring and it's see-through, so I'm thinking like put things on it, if that makes it. Like I'm gonna put things like here, butterflies or something here, so like it's not a see-through. Also very under bibby as well. Hold on. So like I want it to tie at the back like that, that's not a vibe. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and make this a bit more acceptable, but this is like a work in progress, that's why. Because right now it just looks like I've tied a bit of fabric over my titties and called it a day, which I have. Right, on to the next. This right here is vibes. Oh my god, look at her. Look at her. I also worked out how to like tighten that big long thing at the back. This is big vibes. This outfit makes me so unbelievably happy. If you don't watch the clothing haul, I got this. It was like the Flex in Fashion one. Flex in Fashion is just like a little Insta brand. But obviously I knew from the get-go, like there's gonna be not a single reason to wear this in a serious logical fashion. Also with the boots as well, it's just so like outdoorsy, but then with like a little like a dress underneath, it's so confusing. It's like, is she going fishing? Is she going drinking? Absolutely melting, by the way. I don't know why I'm taking this off. Is it not gonna lie, guys, not gonna lie, I love this. And oh, it's got like a tie back, probably all scrunched together. I'll give you a wee up close shot actually. So let me explain this one, because I saw this dress hanging up and this is like my favourite, this is like my go-to dress. But what I was literally just gonna put this on, shove on my boots, grab a jacket, and that was gonna be my groundbreaking outfit. I think I got this for like my friend's 18th. Maybe not 18th actually, maybe like 19th, because I think it was like last year. We were going uptown and I wanted a new dress. I feel like you can't really make it casual. Do you know what I mean? Maybe I'll save it for my birthday and I'll just make my friends go to like a bar or something, and so I can wear this outfit. Put it in your diaries, lads. My 20th birthday outfit. Woo! But anyway, this is cute. Just as well. Also, I would wear it with this bag, absolutely. Which is my little tea party bag that I got for £4 at a charity shop, and it just that's my favourite part, to be honest. I think this is an outfit number 8, but I'm not sure. Don't take my word on that. Hi! Pretty boring. It's literally one item of clothing that I've paired with boots. Yeah, so I've literally not even worn this out yet. Let me just show you. This is it with the top button. I don't think that's very nice. I don't know. Just a bit of a hole. But yeah, I just think it looks a bit cuter when it's like, it's just cleavage left, right and centre, innit? This is from Boohoo, which to be honest, not my proudest moment. I'm not really a fan of Boohoo. I am such a fat hypocrite. I don't support fast fashion. Because Boohoo is just like shit material, and so it's not good for clothes, point blank. Oh my god. One of my earrings have popped out. Jesus Christ, that's not good. But it's nice, it's inconvenient. Like, see, wearing it in my head, I'm like, that's a pain in the arse to wear, so I never ever put it on. There's no point neglecting this dress because I'm mad at myself for ordering from Boohoo. Do you know what I mean? So I'm kind of just like manifesting the idea of wearing this dress. Moving on. But I hate that. God, this isn't vibes. Right, so basically I've never worn this skirt. I've had it for about 2 years now, and I've kept it for so long because it's like a cool skirt, but it just like isn't flattering. So like every time I try to wear it, like it just doesn't make sense, to be honest, and I think I'm actually gonna have to get rid of it because I just can't really make it work. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I just don't know. Right, here we are, a classic. God, it's like Mamma Mia vibes, isn't it? Super trooper, knowing me, knowing you. There is nothing we can't, knowing you. Chiquitita, tell me what's wrong. Honey, honey, how? Just say it, but isn't that song like basically about orgasm? I know him before. Honey, honey, oh, he thrills me. Honey, honey, honey. He's a love machine, makes me dizzy. If you bloody know me, this was like my go-to top in my first year of uni. This skirt, it's just leopard print. It's pretty short, But yeah, the skirt's from Nasty Gal, but it's not great quality, so I don't recommend it. This top is from Urban Outfitters. I actually got it on sale, which best day of my life. I've never actually wore this combo before, so I will be wearing that as soon as like clubs and pubs are open again. Brace yourselves. God, I'm shattered, man. Right. I think I should just call this video 10 different ways to wear your docs. Oh, this is so comfortable. Like, I am unbelievably comfortable right now. Can't say this is a very original outfit. I mean, this is very e-girl vibes, isn't it? Okay, this is the last outfit because I'm getting tired and the inspiration is just like flowing out of me. It's been a bit too warm to wear this outfit. I've worn this a few times, but like with leggings or joggies or something in winter when it was actually cold. I got this from a charity shop. I have learnt that this is actually an American football team. I think. Don't kill me if I'm wrong, but I think they're called Falcons. I just like the writing, and obviously it's Nike, so I was like, that's kind of vibes. And I just feel like the red, white and black, it all with the bag. Oh! I just posed for like a thumbnail photo. I just I died a little bit inside. This has been a bit fun, to be honest. I've been a bit in a slump because I've like started working, you know, I've just been busy all the time and like I've not really had any motivation. It's literally just been like work and then sleep in between. My room's a mess now because I'm incapable. See, when I take something off the hanger, do you think it's going back up on the hanger? No, absolutely not. That would be ridiculous, wouldn't it? I quite like clothes and fashion and all that shite. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Sorry if you didn't care or you didn't ask, but I mean, if you're at this point then you've watched the whole video, so you couldn't have not cared that much. Do you know what I'm saying? So see ya, have a good day. God, that's not cute. I just took off all my makeup. Oh my god, you can see the mess on my room there. Sorry, I just took off all my makeup and I actually feel amazing. Thanks.